Exercise 3.3. The first set of questions are prove that question. See the first question. Prove that sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 equal to negative 1 by 2. Okay. The first set carries nearly 4 questions. All the 4 questions are of the form, listen, sine of some specific angles. So here pi by 6 means 180 by 6, 30, sine 30. Here 180 by 3, 60. 180 by 4, 45. So we need to know what is sine 30, sine 60, cos 45, tan 45, all these values. For this, just note down this triangle. One is 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, and another one is 45, 45, 90. Now by heart the result, sine 30. Sine 30 equal to 1 by 2. So with respect to this 30, sine ratio is opposite side by hypotenuse, 1 by 2. Now the third side is root 3. In the case of this triangle, it is base, altitude both are equal to 1 and hypotenuse is root 2. Using this, with the help of this triangle, we can easily find these values. So let's start. LHS. LHS equal to sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. Now see, sine square pi by 6 is always sine pi by 6 the whole square. Okay. Plus cos square pi by 3 is same as cos pi by 3 the whole square. Minus tan square pi by 4 is same as tan pi by 4 the whole square. Now replace. What is sine 30? Pi by 6 means 30 degree. What is sine 30? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square plus cos 60. Look at here. Cos ratio is adjacent by hypotenuse. So with respect to the 60, cos is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square minus tan pi by 4. Tan 45 is 1. Opposite side by adjacent side. So 1 square. Now 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 square is again 1 by 4 minus 1 square is 1. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, half. Half minus 1, it is negative 1 by 2. That is our RHS. Okay. See. So these are the form of proving left side equal to right side using some specific angles. Okay. So do the remaining 3 questions belongs to the exercise 3.3. Okay. First set questions. Let's see. Next type is find the value of sine 75. Okay. Sine 75 degree. We need to find sine 75 degree. Okay. Sine 75 degree. First we have to convert this 75 into, listen, sine 45 plus 30. Okay. 45 plus 30. Now let us take, this is x, 30 is y. Now this is of the form sine x plus y, isn't it? So this is a result. What is sine x plus y? Sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. So what is sine 75? Sine 75 equal to sine x. What is x? 45. 45 into cos y. Y is 30 plus cos x. What is cos x? Cos 45 into sine y. What is y? 30. So write the formula and replace x and y. Okay. Now sine 45, 1 by root 2 into cos 30. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2 plus cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 into sine 30, 1 by 2. Now see the simplification. 1 into root 3, root 3 by root 2 into 2, 2 root 2. See, it is a product, so don't take LCM. If it is plus, you can consider the LCM or cross multiplication. Okay, it is product. So just multiply numerator and denominator. Plus. Similarly here 1 into 1, 1. Root 2 into 2, 2 root 2. Now see the denominator. Denominator is same. So add the numerator. Root 3 plus 1. So sin 75 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. Question. Cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y equal to sin x plus y. It is a prove that question. So we need to prove this expression is equal to sin x plus y. If you have a question, first you have to identify the result to apply in that particular question. So listen, look at these factors. Can you say cos pi by 4 minus x is of the form which identity, which result? Yes, if you put here x, here y. Now this is cos x minus y form, isn't it? Similarly, this is of the form cos x minus y. Here sin x minus y. Sin x minus y form. So we need to know what is cos x minus y and sin x minus y. Okay. Let's see. Cos x minus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Sin x minus y is sin x cos y minus sin x cos y. I mean cos x sin y. Okay. Sorry. Cos x sin y. So using this result we can easily solve. Let's start LHS. First factor cos pi by 4 minus x. So here put x equal to pi by 4 and y equal to x. So look at this part. Here you have to put x equal to pi by 4 and y. In place of y you have to write cos x. I mean x. So this becomes cos pi by 4 cos x plus sin pi by 4 sin x. Okay. So this is first factor into similarly cos pi by 4 minus y. Put x equal to pi by 4, y equal to y itself. That is cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y minus similarly this one sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y. Simply put x equal to pi by 4 and y equal to from here. Now cos pi by 4. What is the value of cos pi by 4? Pi by 4 means 45 degree. So cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So put 1 by root 2 cos x plus sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 sin x into similarly in all these factors 1 by root 2 cos y plus 1 by root 2 sin y minus of put a bracket 1 by root 2 cos x minus 1 by root 2 sin x into 1 by root 2 cos y minus 1 by root 2 sin y. Listen, from here 1 by root 2 take outside. From here also 1 by root 2 outside. So 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. This becomes 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into remaining cos x plus sin x into here cos y plus sin y. Okay. Minus. Here also 1 by root 2 is common. 1 by root 2 common. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 becomes 1 by 2. So take 1 by 2 outside. Remaining terms are cos x minus sin x into cos y minus sin y. Okay. Okay. Now listen. This is a term. This one is a term. So take the common factor 1 by 2 again. So 1 by 2 into this becomes cos x plus sin x into cos y plus sin y minus of cos x minus sin x into cos y minus sin y. Okay, minus of, close the bracket. Now the next step is just to multiply, open the bracket, cos x into cos y, cos x into sin y, sin x into cos y, sin x into sin y. Similarly here, cos x into cos y, cos x into sin y, sin x into cos y, sin x into sin y. Term by term multiplication, and also you have to concentrate these negative sign also. Okay, see, this is the final result. Final result means next result. Open the bracket. By doing term by term multiplication, you can see these terms. Now here minus of, okay, 4 terms are there. So minus of becomes distributing negative sign or open the bracket. So actually this cos x plus cos y is plus. This becomes minus. This is minus cos x cos y. So it is plus. Minus sin x cos y becomes plus sin x cos y. And this is minus. Okay, open the bracket. Open the bracket or change the sign. Now cos x cos y minus cos x cos y is cancelled. Here sin x sin y minus sin x sin y we can cancel. Now this is positive, 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 positive. All the 4 terms are positive. So cos x sin y plus sin x cos y plus cos x sin y plus sin x cos y. Okay. Now listen, cos x sin y. Here also cos x sin y. Cos x sin y plus cos x sin y is 2 cos x sin y plus sin x cos y plus sin x cos y 2 sin x cos y, because both are like terms. Suppose it is x. This is also x. What is x plus x? 2x. Okay. So 1 by 2 into 2 cos x sin y plus 2 sin x cos y. Take 2 outside. So 1 by 2 into 2 remaining cos x sin y plus sin x cos y, or sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay. Can you say what is this? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Yes, this is our result. What is the result? Sin x plus y. Okay, that is our required RHS. So this is a simple question. We need to know the required result to apply in the to obtain the result. Okay. The next question, it is question number 7. Prove that tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x the whole square. Okay, it is another type of question. Listen, each and every prove that questions carries different manner, different methods. Okay, here LHS is tan pi by 4 plus x. So listen, it is of the form tan x plus y. So we need to know what is tan x plus y. What is tan x plus y? Look at here. It is tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. Now denominator tan pi by 4 minus x. It is of the form tan x minus y. Okay. What is tan x minus y? Tan x minus tan y plus 1 plus tan x tan y. So let's start LHS. What is our LHS? Tan pi by 4 plus x divided by tan pi by 4 minus x. So apply the result. Tan x plus y. What is tan x plus y? Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y, isn't it? So what is x here? Pi by 4. What is y? X. So this is tan pi by 4 minus x. Apply the result. You can see it is tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x tan y. So x is pi by 4, y is x. Now what is tan pi by 4? Pi by 4 means 45 degree. Tan 45 is 1. This becomes 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x divided by, similarly 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus 1 into tan x. It is tan x. Now take the multiplication. So this becomes reciprocal. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x into, take the reciprocal, 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. Now multiply 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x the whole square, isn't it? By 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x, 1 minus tan x the whole square. Now write, look at here our question. Our question is 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x the whole square. So you have to write 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x the whole square. That is our RHS. So here we need to know what is tan x plus y and what is tan x minus y. So using this result we can easily find the answer. Question number 8. Cos pi plus x into cos minus x by sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x equal to cot square x. We need to prove LHS equal to RHS. Here you can apply the same formula cos x plus y, sin x minus y, cos x plus y. Okay. Otherwise you can directly write cos pi plus x. There is a formula. What is cos pi plus x? It is minus cos x into cos minus x is cos x divided by sin minus x. What is sin minus x? It is sin x into cos pi by 2 plus x. Cos pi by 2 plus x is minus sin x. Okay. Now minus and minus cancel. Cos x into cos x, cos square x. Sin x into sin x, sin square x. Or cos by sin, cot. Cos by sin, cot. So cot x into cot x, cot square x. Or cos square by sin square is cos by sin cot. So cos square by sin square is cot square x. That is our required RHS. Okay.